Welcome to our journey into The Secret by Rhonda Byrne, a book that reveals the powerful law of attraction and how it can transform your life. Introduction to The Secret. Published in 2006, The Secret has inspired millions worldwide. It teaches that our thoughts and feelings shape our reality, and by harnessing positive energy, we can attract success, health, and happiness. First lesson: the law of attraction. This is a principle that suggests that like attracts like. This means that positive thoughts tend to bring positive experiences, while negative thoughts can attract negative outcomes. Essentially, your mind acts like a magnet, drawing in experiences that align with your dominant thoughts and emotions. By focusing on what you want, rather than what you fear or dislike, you can attract those desires into your life. Second lesson: the power of positive thinking. Byrne emphasizes that focusing on positive thinking is crucial for achieving your goals. She explains that when you concentrate on what you want, rather than on what you don't want, you emit positive energy. This positive energy acts as a signal to the universe, drawing the things you desire into your life. By maintaining a positive focus, you align your thoughts with your aspirations, making it more likely that those desires will manifest. Third lesson: ask, believe, receive. The process of manifestation involves 3 key steps: ask, believe, and receive. 1. Ask. First, you need to clearly define what you want and ask for it. This isn't just about wishing. It's about setting a clear intention and communicating your desires to the universe. When you ask, be specific and focused on what you truly want, whether it's a goal, a relationship, or a particular outcome. 2. Believe. Next, you must believe that what you've asked for can and will happen. This step is crucial because your belief aligns your energy with your desires. You need to have faith that the universe is capable of delivering what you've asked for, and importantly, that you deserve to receive it. Overcoming doubts and maintaining a positive mindset is key here. 3. Receive. Finally, you need to be open to receiving what you've asked for. This means trusting the process and being ready to accept your desires when they manifest, even if they come in unexpected ways. Being receptive involves staying positive, recognizing opportunities, and practicing gratitude, which keeps you aligned with the energy of receiving. In summary, by asking with clarity, believing with conviction, and being open to receiving, you can effectively manifest your desires through the law of attraction. Fourth lesson: visualization and affirmation. Visualization and affirmation are techniques to help you achieve your goals. 1. Visualization. Create a vision board with images and items that represent your goals. Regularly imagine yourself achieving these goals in detail, engaging your emotions and senses to strengthen your focus and motivation. 2. Affirmation. Use positive, present tense statements about your goals. For example, I am successful. Repeat them daily to build self-belief and counteract negative thoughts. Together, they help you stay motivated, focused, and confident in reaching your objectives. Fifth lesson: gratitude. Gratitude amplifies positive energy by shifting your focus from what's lacking to what you have. For example, gratitude journal. Each day, write down 3 things you're thankful for, such as a supportive friend, a successful work project, or a beautiful sunset. This practice helps you recognize and appreciate the good in your life. Positive focus. By regularly acknowledging these positives, you start to notice more of them. For instance, appreciating your supportive friend might lead you to attract more positive relationships or find joy in small moments. This shift in focus fosters a mindset of abundance, which can lead to more positive experiences and opportunities. Real-life examples. The law of attraction is the idea that positive thoughts and intentions can attract positive experiences into your life. Oprah Winfrey and Jim Carrey are two successful individuals who have publicly shared how they used this principle to achieve their dreams. Oprah Winfrey has spoken about how she visualized her success and maintained a positive mindset throughout her journey. She believes that this focus and intention helped her rise from a challenging background to become one of the most influential women in the world.
I am a powerful manifester, and I know that, and I know how to do it without physically putting it on a board. I know how. You have to. You want to know how to do it?
Absolutely.
You have to meet the vibration. You can't be above or below it. It's just what I was talking about: negative energy, positive energy. In order to draw the thing to you that you want to come, you can't want it so much that you fear that you won't get it. You have to want it. So in order for me to be on your vision board, you must have put it there and then you let it go.
Jim Carrey used the law of attraction early in his career by writing himself a $10 million check, post-dated for several years in the future. He visualized earning that amount for his acting work, and by the time the date arrived, he had achieved that goal through his blockbuster movie roles.
Did you ever imagine it would get this ridiculous? Because I mean, I know you for a long time and you're doing the series. And you've been a star on TV for a while, but now it's like crazy. These people going nuts.
The funny thing about it is I was always into this, visualization and stuff, and I years ago, it's an interesting story because 4 years ago, I used to go up to Mulholland Drive and I used to say, I have this and that and this. Oh, it's all good and it's coming to me, and I actually wrote myself a check, and this is for real. This is not a joke. This is for real. I wrote myself a check for $10 million per picture.
This is
by Thanksgiving 1995.
Wow, look at that. This is the actual.
Yeah. Don't wreck it.
No, I don't want it. This is certainly. There you go. That's the actual.
That's
check?
the actual check I wrote myself 4 years ago, and that's so I'm kind of here to say that visualization does work, and of course now I've had to change my goals because I'm kind of getting close to that one. So.
Wow.
These stories serve as powerful examples of how focusing on your goals, visualizing success, and maintaining a positive mindset can help you manifest your dreams into reality. Sixth lesson: overcoming doubts and challenges. It's natural to have doubts and face challenges. The Secret teaches us to stay focused on our goals and maintain a positive mindset, even in the face of adversity. Remember, persistence and belief are key. Practical tips for daily life. To incorporate the law of attraction into your daily life, you can follow these practical tips with examples. 1. Positive affirmations. Start your day by repeating affirmations like, I am confident, or I attract success, to set a positive tone and mindset. 2. Mindfulness. Practice mindfulness by meditating for a few minutes daily to clear your mind and stay focused on positive thoughts. 3. Goal focus. Write down your goals and review them daily. Use tools like vision boards to keep your goals in sight and on track. 4. Consistent actions. Break your goals into small tasks and work on them regularly. Small, consistent efforts lead to significant progress over time. These steps help you align your daily habits with the principles of the law of attraction. The Secret teaches us that our thoughts are incredibly powerful. By harnessing the law of attraction, we can create the life we desire. Remember, what you think, you become. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into powerful books like The Secret.